Ready, brother Tim? Let's get back to business to become a pimp. We are not like you guys because you girls are wimps. You don't even understand the way how we feel about you girls. We love you more than you ever know. Come on, Tim.
Let's get down to business to defeat the girls, the girls, the girls. I just want to let you know that you can pimp too. It's the saddest thing I ever seen when I see a girl reject a guy. This is why I will teach you how to pimp.
Every time you're gonna catch a breath, you're gonna look at two of us.
And every time we're not here, you want to know we're here.
We are the Pimp, P-I-M-P, stands for pimp.
A pimp.
Na 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 na.
Be a pimp.
We are the best, and you know that too.
Be a pimp.
Every day we go to school, see you
Be
girls.
a pimp.
You know who you guys are really. We still love you girls. Tell you why. How come?
We try our best to impress, but it seems like it's crap.
You're the saddest bunch of girls.
So don't you look down on these guys.
We are pimps forever and ever. Yeah,
Be a pimp.
like the way we used to say it.
Be a pimp.
Just listen to Tim because he's the number
Be
one.
a pimp.
Every day we go to school, see you girls.
Be a pimp.
You know who you two really are. Show our muscles.
Be swift as the course.
See river pimp.
All the force of a great typhoon.
Be a pimp.
All the strength of a raging fire.
Be a pimp.
Mysterious
The
as
sun, the dark side of the moon.